In this lecture, we are going to learn how to conduct risk and return analysis on our stock in Excel. Look at this number and graphs and how beautiful they are. And you are going to learn how to do it in a few minutes. First of all, I'm going to clean up the data. Oh, clean context. Clean context. Just cut. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to get this data and the graphs back. uh, this data I got it from Yahoo Finance. This is Apple company adjust close price from 1980 to 2017. What adjust close price means? It means adjust for both dividends and splits this price. For the convenience, our computation, the return, we don't need to worry about what is the dividend, how about the stock split. We don't need to worry about that because this price is adjusted for both of that. When we compute the return, we just use this number to compute our return. And look at this number, they are matching. Every year, I just pick one number at the date of December 1st. So how to get this data? I'm going to talk to you later how to acquire data from Yahoo Finance and filter the data. Just get the data, what we want. So if we invest at Apple company start at 1980, after 1 year at 1998 or at 1991, what is our annual return at this year? How to calculate it? Remember the percentage change formula. Very easy. Type equal in the cell parenthesis ending value minus beginning value, close the parenthesis, divide by beginning value. This one, enter. Because I set the number in this cell, in the column of this cell, all these cells, to big percentage. So automatically, when I type return, we get the percentage. So we don't need to type the formula in every cell. We just drive the cell down to the year of 2017. We got every annual return. Some are negatives. That means return is negative, that means you lose money. Some are positive, we are happy about it. That means we earn money. We got every year's annual return. How to calculate the average return, the mean, arithmetic average. Yeah. The formula, the function in Excel, just the average. We put all the annual return number in the parenthesis. Wow, we got the average return. That means over the periods from 1980 to 2017, Apple company's stock price return is averagely 43.76%. Wow, that's pretty high. Standard deviation measure the variation, the degree of variation, or the degree of volatility. The function in Excel, standard deviation. Again, put all the number in, close the parenthesis, enter. Wow, we got the standard deviation. In finance, we use standard deviation to measure the risk. We use the arithmetic average or geometric average to measure annual average return. But for this class, we just focus on arithmetic average. Now we can plot the graph. Let's plot the growth, the return. Annual return graph. Choose the data, insert. Whoa, this one. Oh, we got this. It looks. Oh, the return looks very, very volatile. But we want our horizontal axis to be the year instead of the number. How to do it? Add a year in, and then we just click the graph, double click or right click, and choose format data series. No, not format data series. Select data. We want the axis label to be here from, because we begin to have a return from 1981, so from 1981 to 2017. Click OK. Wow, now we got the year label. Oh, too big in our graph, line graph. So our last step, we just tie the title of this graph. We just say AAPL, annual return. Put the percentage in, and also annual return better point out and from 1981 to 2017. We are done for this chart. Let's plot excuse me, just close data. We can choose two columns all in one because they combine together. Just insert again this one. Oh, now we just automatically got the horizontal axis with the year labels on. We can make it bigger. And then what we need, we just tie the title in. AAPL, adjust, close, try. From 1980 to 2017. You can make this graph bigger, smaller, and beautify it. The most interesting, we are going to conduct the distribution frequency for Apple Stars annual return. We select the data and anyway, it doesn't matter. Insert histogram. This one. Oh, we got this one. Oh no, I think I still need to come back. I think I still need to come back to include this data. Okay. Don't miss the last data. Select the data. Insert histogram. Oh, we got this one. Move this graph. Move to a space. Okay, and make bigger. I point out in the previous lectures the critical factor to build or to create a frequency distribution graph or histogram is you need to set the class interval or the category or the boundary to group the data. Different class interval leading to different frequency distribution. The most useful, the most popular is you set the class interval according to the standard deviation. So let's do it. Right click this track and select, right click again, format data series, and then the bin, to the bin. To the bin by width, select by width. We choose the by width. We just choose the standard deviation to pick our bin width. Okay, now we got this one. And also, we want to beautify this table track. Okay, looks pretty nice already. So just tie the oh no, yeah, tie the chart title in is AAPL price distribution. Tie the year in. It's not price distribution. I think it's return distribution. And better put the frequency on. Okay. Okay, we are all set to go.